Hi everyone! Today I'll be doing a plan with me for July. So what I like to do first is just take out all the bindings. That way it's easy for me to write and place all the stickers. I'm using the July monthly sticker pack in my shop right now, and it has a tropical theme perfect for the summer. Now, I stick all of the daily headers at the top. After the headers are all done, I place down the full boxes on days where I'm not doing much or just relaxing. And I like how it makes the planner even more colorful. Now I'm adding on my holidays like the 4th of July, birthdays, and just reminders. Now I'm using the bullet points so I know when I have a very busy day and what I need to do. I find that placing all these stickers just makes everything so much happier to look at. Now I'm writing in all of my activities, or what I want to do for July, and some of my goals. I start filling in the specific days, and then I just add little stickers here and there. I like writing little music notes whenever I have a flute lesson. Now I'm using a sticker from the laundry day pack to mark when I need to fold clothes, and a reading sticker from my study day pack just to mark a day when I want to read. And adding stickers here and there just to add some more colors. Now I'm adding some work stickers when I really want to get some stuff done and just have focused time. Then after it's all done, I stick it back in the planner. I find it so satisfying when everything comes together and I just put the pages back in the bindings. And it's finally done. Thanks for watching!